allow or deny install unknown apps from WhatsApp in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon, scroll down settings screen, find apps, and then tap apps. Next, tap apps more icon or three dot icon, select special access, and then scroll down the screen, tap install unknown apps, scroll down the screen, find WhatsApp, and then on WhatsApp, tap switch until blue to allow WhatsApp to install unknown apps, or tap switch until gray to deny. Tap switch until blue to allow, or tap switch until gray to deny WhatsApp to install unknown apps. Okay. Installing apps from this source may put your phone and data at risk. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.